My name's Dietrich Youngling. I am primarily a lighting designer. I focus and specialize on technology mainly.
I'm Guto Requena. I'm an architect. I'm coming from São Paulo, Brazil, and I work in different scales since urban planning, architecture, interior design, product design.
I'm David Spriggs and I do installation artwork.
Hi, I'm Deepu Raj, founder and principal director of LET Design.
My name is Yael Arel. I am an educator. I'm an assistant professor at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, or RPI.
Well, I'm Kai Diedrichsen. I'm a lighting designer in Mexico City, and I do basically all the projects from residential, hotel design, hospitality, also restaurants and offices.
Well, my name is Mark Brickman. I'm an artist, but I'm an artist in all different varieties. Probably the world is my palette, and also my canvas.
My name is Dorothy DiStefano. I am an international art curator and creative strategist.
My name is Jen Lewin, and I am an artist. I make large public sculpture, much of which is illuminated.